kitchen. So today I'm going to be teaching you a recipe for brownies. So for this recipe, you'll need 8 ounces of chocolate. You can use chocolate chips or chocolate chunks, and you're going to melt half of that. So half of it's going to be melted in the microwave, so it looks like this. And the other half is going to stay as your chunks or your chocolate chips. And you'll also need 12 tablespoons of butter, melted, also in the microwave, and 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. So let's get started. So first, you're gonna start by using your big bowl, and you're gonna mix in your butter. I'll put my butter in the bowl. Make sure your butter is melted. And you're gonna add with that 1 1/4 cup of sugar. So here's my sugar. Move this over. I'm gonna use this to scoop my 1 cup of sugar in. Here's 1 cup. And 1/4. Level it off. There we go. And put that in. There we go. And take a spoon and just mix it around a little bit. Okay, there we go. And now it looks like this. Next, we are going to add in our eggs. Here's my 2 eggs. Put that in there. And your vanilla. So here's my vanilla. And you need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Banana. 1. And 2. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And now we're going to take our mixer and we're gonna mix it. Okay, here's my mixer. And just put it in there and start with the slowest setting so you don't blow it all over the place. Together. That looks pretty good to me. And take my mixer out. There we go. And next you're going to add your melted chocolate. So here's my melted chocolate. And just scoop it in there. Make sure you get all that chocolate in there. And mix that in. Starting to create a little swirl pattern. Mix in. next, you're going to add in your flour. So here's my flour. I need 3/4 cups. So here is my 1/4 cup. 1, 2, and 3. Now you're gonna mix this very slowly and carefully. You're gonna fold it in just so you don't over mix. Very carefully. Make sure you get it all around the sides. And next, you're going to add in your cocoa powder. So you need 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Here's my cocoa powder. Carefully scoop in here. A little bit more. Even it off. 1/4 cup. Go. Move this over. Mix it up. Carefully fold that in as well. Okay. And now you're going to add your salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt. Here's my salt. Go ahead and open that up. 1 teaspoon of salt. Very carefully pour it in. And stir that in as well. And next, we're going to take the remainder of our chocolate chips right here, and we're going to carefully fold these in as well. So, mix those in. The bigger your chunks, the more liquidy and fudgy your brownies will be. So just carefully fold those in. And this is my brownie batter. So next, you are going to put this in a baking pan. Here's my pan with some parchment paper on it. And go ahead and scoop that inside your pan. There we go. Put my bowl aside right there. And go ahead and spread it out a little bit on your pan. And this is how it looks. And you're gonna go ahead and bake this at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. So I took my brownies out of the oven. This is how they came out. They took a little bit longer than 20 to 25 minutes, just about 10 minutes longer. And just to make sure they were done, I stuck a toothpick and I poked it inside the brownie and I made sure that no liquid was on the stick. Okay, and then I let them sit for a little while, just about 10 minutes until they were cooled down. And I cut them. And this is how they look. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.